America's forests are a vital part of our nation's future. Across the U.S., communities are discovering new ways to turn forest resources into renewable energy solutions. With support from the USDA Forest Service Wood Innovation Grant Program, states like Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maryland are fueling the future of strong rural economies, resilient communities, and sustainably managed forests by harnessing the power of a growing wood energy sector.
As a forester, our biggest challenge is being able to pay for the management that's needed in the forest. What we lack in Maryland is strong markets for the lower value wood, and wood energy is exactly what we need.
This is the third boiler room that we put in at the Wayland site. 5 million BTUs in total output in this room. They were burning over 150,000 gallons of oil here. We are offsetting now that amount of oil every year. This is a fuel that's readily available in Europe, but in the United States, you couldn't really find it.
For 20 years, Vermont and New Hampshire have led the nation in adopting and adapting wood energy. Seeing is believing, so we brought a few key decision makers to look and learn and understand how wood energy makes a perfect fit for Maryland.
So this place looked very different 6 years ago. I mean, there was coal dust and soot everywhere. Not to mention we were spending about $15,000 on coal. We put a wood pellet boiler in, and now we spend about $3,000 a year to heat this building. The forest products industry is extremely important to forest management here in Vermont. If you're gonna do methodical cutting, you gotta have some market to make those cuts financially viable.
So just come on through here for a second. Most energy companies, they buy oil from the tankers from the Middle East. We actually go out to the local loggers and sawmills and we buy the waste from their waste stream. And that is a pretty big difference.
We create about 100 ton of dry chip on a day like today.
The loggers actually go into the forest to cut a saw log because it has 10 times the value of a chip. And saw log is only like 30% of the tree. Then the whole top of the tree is actually just rejected back into the forest. So what we're doing is we're taking the low value waste stream and using that as fuel.
So we're just really a heating oil company at heart, just only on wood pellets. Fuel savings here, $15,000 a year over there heating oil. And this is the third school in the district that we've done.
And then one of the great benefits about using wood for energy is 80 cents for every dollar will stay within about 30 miles of where it was bought.
We consume about 250,000 tons of wood, all from the local area.
All the ash is removed from the flue gas stream by the electrostatic precipitator. It's got a lot of nutrients in it and a high pH value, so it's valuable to organic farmers to spread on the farmers' fields.
KT was actually founded on old logging roads, and now they're used again as logging roads.
Late 1800s Vermont was 80% open, now it's 80% forested. Having these high volume pulpwood sales is a reality of trying to grow better trees for the next generation.
You're standing in the same boiler room with the people who decided that yes, wood heat is our best solution. It just really solidifies what wood energy systems can do to improve the quality of our forest and strengthen our communities.
From Vermont to Maryland, local energy solutions are helping communities become more resilient and connect to the forests around them. Renewable wood energy is helping communities meet energy needs, create local jobs, and care for forests in meaningful ways. Join us at #ForestProud as we highlight the people and products that are moving forestry and our planet forward.